Yeah, good morning, Steve. Well, Pierce County has already made that decision requiring that their schools cancel in-person classes and have students learn from home at the start of the school year. With King County, we're going to have to wait on that decision that's coming later this morning. But I do want to show you a list of the school districts in King County that have already announced that students will be learning from home when the school year starts in the fall. The health department in King County, which is seeing a lower number of coronavirus cases than Pierce County, already spoke to us saying based on the level of community disease, it is following the state guidance, which strongly recommends districts move to mostly online or distance learning. A professor with the University of Washington's Department of Epidemiology says there's another part of this discussion that needs to be addressed.
For us to open our school, we have to contain the virus in our neighborhood. That's what we need to talk about in the United States, is containing the virus in the neighborhood. Then we can open the school, then we can open the restaurants. But to jump and open the schools without containing the virus in your own community, that's a recipe for a disaster.
Snohomish County is recommending students also start the year learning from home. But King County's announcement, again, that's coming at 10:30 this morning. State and local health experts are going to be talking about that. They're going to release some important data that could impact school reopening plans. So that data is going to focus on coronavirus infection rates in various communities. Again, that announcement is happening at 10:30, but you can stay tuned for the latest updates. Just watch King 5 News at noon. Live here in Auburn, Kiera Elfallen, King 5 News.
Thank you, Kiera. And so that's about, high schoolers, middle school, younger kids. What about college? Well, this would have been Washington State University's move-in day for new and returning students. But at Pullman, they're now urging all the students not to come, not just for their own health, but for the entire community in Pullman.
Don't want students to, think that they're going to get something by living here in Pullman rather than staying at home for this semester.
According to the Whitman County Public Health Department, the current risk of coronavirus spread there is high, and the school fears that if kids come back, it'll make things worse.